How to reset Arlo security cameras before moving or giving them away. If you choose to leave your security cameras behind when moving, perhaps because they are part of a custom installation or because the buyer paid a premium to keep them, you need to reset them correctly. The same could be said for all smart home devices. While overlooking factory resets for smart lights is minor, security cameras like Arlo require a careful reset. Arlo systems are easily restored to factory settings, ensuring they revert to as-new condition. This allows any left-behind hardware to be reconfigured for the new owner, facilitating a seamless transition of usage and ownership. Especially beneficial for Arlo camera systems is the ease of resetting via the SmartHub base station. Sellers can efficiently reset the system, while buyers can reset without the previous owner's account access. Conversely, systems like Ring require the former owner to disconnect devices before the new owner can reset them. Resetting your Arlo SmartHub or base station is simple. With a pen or paper clip, press and hold the reset button on the back for 10 seconds. The LEDs will flash amber, and once the reset completes, all settings return to default, safely removing your account from the system. Once the lights stop flashing, the base station reboots, completing the reset. It's now ready to connect to the new owner's Wi-Fi and Arlo account, with the previous owner losing all access. This process applies to most Arlo SmartHub and base station models, ensuring secure transfer and setup. Don't forget to remove any SD cards storing local footage.
Go to GearBrain for more information.